NASA released eerie audio of sound waves emanating from a supermassive black hole located 250 million light-years from Earth. The black hole, at the center of the Perseus galaxy cluster, and the acoustic waves emanating from it have been altered to 57 and 58 octaves so that they can be heard by human hearing. That voice sounded like an unnatural beast roar. These sound waves are among the lowest pitches in the universe ever detected by humans, well below the limit of human hearing. Try listening to the sound coming from this black hole of the Perseus galaxy.